Benefits of cannabis consumption. In this video, we'll be looking at 7 potential benefits of using cannabis, how often it should be consumed, what you can expect, and some of the health benefits associated with its use. Pain relief. One of the most well-known benefits of cannabis is its ability to relieve pain. Cannabis has been used for centuries for this purpose, particularly in chronic pain conditions such as arthritis and multiple sclerosis. The cannabinoids in cannabis interact with receptors in the brain and body to help reduce pain and inflammation. 2. Anxiety and depression. Cannabis may also help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression in some people. The cannabinoids in cannabis can interact with the body's endocannabinoid system to help regulate mood and reduce anxiety. However, it's important to note that some strains of cannabis can actually increase anxiety. So it's important to find the right strain and dosage for you. 3. Sleep aid. Many people find cannabis helpful for improving their sleep quality and duration. The relaxing effects of cannabis can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. However, it's important to note that regular cannabis use can disrupt the natural sleep cycle, so it's best to use it only when needed. 4. Appetite stimulant. Cannabis may also increase appetite, making it useful for people who have trouble eating due to illness or other reasons. The cannabinoids in cannabis can interact with receptors in the brain to stimulate appetite, known as the munchies effect. This can be especially helpful for people undergoing chemotherapy or suffering from eating disorders. 5. Anti-inflammatory. Cannabis may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could be useful in treating certain conditions such as arthritis. The cannabinoids in cannabis can interact with receptors in the body's immune system to reduce inflammation and pain. This could potentially help with a wide range of inflammatory conditions. 6. Neuroprotective. Some studies suggest that cannabis may have neuroprotective effects, which could be beneficial for people with certain neurological conditions such as multiple sclerosis and epilepsy. The cannabinoids in cannabis can interact with receptors in the brain to reduce inflammation and protect brain cells from damage. 7. Cancer treatment. Finally, some research suggests that cannabis may have anti-tumor properties, which could be useful in treating certain types of cancer. The cannabinoids in cannabis can interact with receptors in cancer cells to prevent their growth and spread. While more research is needed in this area, some cancer patients have reported using cannabis to help manage their symptoms and improve their quality of life. So there you have it, 7 potential benefits of cannabis consumption. It's important to note that cannabis use can have potential risks and side effects, and it's important to use it legally and responsibly. If you're considering using cannabis for medical purposes, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider first to determine if it's appropriate for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.